My wife noticed an unpleasant smell coming from our kitchen sink drain that wouldn't go away no matter how much she ran water. It wasn't a clog. It was that sour, stagnant smell that seems to come from deep in the pipes. A plumber quoted $200 to snake and treat the drain. Before we called him back, I showed her a $1 powder routine that eliminates drain odors completely and keeps them gone. A few minutes of work once a week, and every drain in our house has been smell-free for 2 years. Let me walk you through why drains develop odors, why running water alone doesn't fix the issue, and the $1 powder approach that resets drains to fresh. First, let's talk about drain odors. Every time water goes down a drain, it carries small amounts of organic matter with it. Food particles in kitchen sinks, skin cells, soap residue, and hair in bathroom sinks and tubs, organic matter in shower drains. All of this material doesn't fully wash away. Some coats the inside of pipes, especially on the walls of vertical drain sections and the curved P-trap. Over time, this coating develops. Bacteria colonize the coating and feed on the organic matter. Byproducts of bacterial metabolism are often foul-smelling. The smell rises up through the drain into the room, especially when air pressure in the drain system changes, like when a nearby drain is used. The P-trap, which is the curved section of pipe under sinks, holds water that acts as a barrier against sewer gases. When the P-trap works correctly, it prevents main sewer line odors from rising into the home, but the P-trap itself can develop buildup and its own smell, which is more localized to that specific fixture. The garbage disposal in kitchen sinks is a major source of odor when not cleaned. Food particles lodge in and around the grinding components and decompose. Even with regular use, disposals need periodic deep cleaning. Typical approaches include running water longer, using commercial drain cleaners, professional snake service, and replacement of components. Commercial drain cleaners are usually caustic chemicals that can damage pipes with repeated use and often don't address the root cause of smells. Professional service is expensive for what's typically a maintenance issue. The $1 powder approach uses baking soda, vinegar, boiling water, and occasionally some additional enzymatic cleaner for tough cases. Total cost for materials, under $5. Effective for most drain smell issues. Here's the approach. Step 1, identify the source. Not all drain smells are the same. Kitchen sink, bathroom sink, shower, tub, and laundry drains all have slightly different issues. For kitchen sinks with garbage disposals, the disposal is usually the first suspect. For bathroom sinks, hair and skin buildup in the P-trap is common. For showers and tubs, hair and soap residue dominate. For laundry drains, lint and detergent residue can cause issues. Step 2, start with the easiest treatment. Pour half a cup of baking soda down the drain. Follow with 1 cup of white vinegar. The mixture will fizz and foam as it reacts. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. The reaction breaks down organic material and kills some bacteria. It's a gentle treatment that won't damage pipes. Step 3, flush with hot water. After the soda-vinegar reaction, pour 2 to 3 cups of boiling water down the drain to rinse everything through and help dissolve remaining grease or buildup. For most mild odors, this treatment handles them. Repeat weekly for ongoing maintenance. Step 4, for garbage disposal specifically, additional attention is needed. Run cold water. With the disposal running, feed a few ice cubes into it. The ice helps clean the grinding components. Some people add rock salt with the ice for extra cleaning action. Run cold water. With the disposal running, feed a lemon or lime peel into it. Citrus oils cut grease and add pleasant scent. Lemon peels work well. Alternatively, a paste of baking soda and water spread on the splash guard, the rubber collar at the top of the disposal, and on reachable parts of the disposal, then rinsed after 10 minutes, cleans the components visible. Step 5, for deeper odor problems, use an enzymatic drain cleaner. Products like BioClean or similar use bacterial enzymes to digest organic buildup. Applied per product directions, usually overnight, they clear buildup without damaging pipes, about $15 per container. Step 6, for truly stubborn odors, clean the P-trap manually. Place a bucket under the trap. Unscrew the slip nuts holding the trap in place. Lower the trap into the bucket. Clean out any accumulated debris with a brush. Rinse the traps and the pipe sections on either side. Reinstall. Step 7, flush drains regularly. Running hot water weekly keeps organic buildup from establishing. Don't just run cold water, which doesn't dissolve grease as effectively. Step 8, prevent future buildup with good habits. Don't put grease or oil down drains. Collect in containers and dispose of separately. Use sink strainers to catch food particles and hair. Rinse thoroughly after food preparation. Get particles through the drain with full water flow. Run disposals with sufficient water to flush everything through. Clean drain strainers regularly, not just when they clog. Step 9, for odors that persist despite treatment, investigate further. Check if the P-trap has dried out. If the fixture hasn't been used for an extended period, water in the P-trap may have evaporated, letting sewer gas into the room. Run water for a couple minutes to refill the trap. Check for loose or damaged drain pipe connections under the sink. Leaks can cause localized smells. Check the vent stack on the roof. Blocked vents can cause drain issues, including odors. For extreme persistent odors with multiple drains affected, there may be a mainline issue. Professional service is warranted for these cases. For specific drain scenarios, for guest bathrooms or rarely used fixtures, run water monthly to keep P-traps filled. Dried traps are the most common source of sudden smell problems. For basement drains or floor drains, the P-trap can dry out easily. Pour water in periodically, or use a drain trap protector that keeps the trap sealed even without water. For washing machine drains, the same approach works. Plus, cleaning the machine itself periodically with vinegar or a washer cleaner product. For vacation homes or second properties, drain maintenance before leaving prevents smell issues on return. For older homes with cast iron drain pipes, which can develop rougher interior surfaces that trap more material, more frequent maintenance helps. For newer homes with PVC pipes, which have smoother surfaces, buildup is slower but still occurs. A few honest notes. The baking soda and vinegar approach is gentle and works for most odors. It's not as aggressive as commercial drain cleaners, but it's also not damaging to pipes. For clogs that are actual blockages preventing water flow, the fizzing treatment often helps, but may not fully clear them. Mechanical snaking or professional service may be needed. For homes on septic systems, some commercial drain cleaners can damage the septic system's bacterial balance. Enzymatic products are safer for septic systems. For homes with very hard water, mineral deposits in pipes can contribute to buildup. Periodic deeper cleaning helps. For rental properties, teaching tenants basic drain maintenance prevents the service calls that result from neglected drains. The economic comparison: pennies for baking soda and vinegar, a few dollars for boiling water, $15 for enzymatic cleaner if used, total under $20 for comprehensive drain odor treatment for an entire house, versus $200 per professional service call. One more tip: set a weekly reminder to treat one drain. On rotation, all the major drains in the house get attention monthly without much effort. The routine prevents issues from building up. For homes with multiple bathrooms and kitchen, the total maintenance time is less than 30 minutes per month spread across treatments, significantly less than dealing with actual clogs and smells when they become problems. For anyone selling a home, fresh-smelling drains are a subtle but noticeable factor for buyers. A few weeks of treatment before listing makes a difference. And for the general quality of life, a home without drain smells is simply more pleasant. The odor we don't notice until it's gone. If your drains have been smelling off, try the baking soda and vinegar treatment this week. Every drain in the house, one session. Follow up weekly. Within a few weeks, drains should be consistently fresh. Drain smells are preventable and fixable. Simple chemistry, inexpensive ingredients, minimal time. For $1 or $2 per treatment.